Hey guys, welcome to Clix Corner. We just got a bit more information about the WWE Heroclix set, so I thought I'd do a quick video on that before I finally get some sleep. My WWE Heroclix Smash or Pass video is saving in Movie Maker as we speak, so hopefully I can just beam through this and then finally go to bed. Okay, so first of all, in each box you'll get one Heroclix figure and the card. Hopefully. Build a team of your favourite superstars, battle against your friends, become champ. These figures have a fresh feel for Heroclix veterans and a rich thematic gameplay for beginners. WWE Heroclix even features never before seen pack powers specific to WWE. Now, if I was a betting man, I would say that it references to things they've done before, like for example with Batman Alpha and various free comic book day sets in the past where they've tried to dumb down some of the powers. But then again, that's basically what they've now done with the powers. So, I don't know, it could mean anything. They've got their own powers. So that's interesting. We've got a list of everybody in their own $7.99 packs. That's Trish Stratus, Finn Balor, Big Show, Asuka, Ronda Rousey, Andre the Giant, Macho Man, Steve Austin, Roman Reigns, Undertaker, Kane, Eddie Guerrero, Sasha Banks, The Rock, John Cena, AJ Styles, Ric Flair and Triple H. No Hulk Hogan, and there's no Bret Hart. Oh, I mean, if we pull at this thread, we could be here all day. And next up, we've got the starter packs. First of all, there is a Mixed Match Challenge 2-player starter set. This contains everything you need to start playing, including 4 WWE superstars. This special starter set includes a WWE ring that can be used in Heroclix, presumably similar to the boxing ring, and possibly easier to get, but I'm sad now I've read that because I already know I'm not interested in this set and I'm going to have to buy it for the ring, like inevitably. Damn. Figures in the Mixed Match Challenge starter are Charlotte Flair, Sasha Banks, Finn Balor and AJ Styles. So there's not much interest for me there, but I mean, I suppose that's a crowd pleaser. What is interesting for me is this next one though. Superstars in the Rock and Sock Connection starter include The Rock, Mankind, Steve Austin, Triple H, Ric Flair for some reason. Oh, and Shawn Michaels. And expansion pack contents. Exact game components subject to change. So it seems like they've got a couple of things that they want to bring in that they haven't fully settled on yet. So maybe they're belts, rings, objects, anything. Well, it could be anything. Could be cool. But yeah, okay. So, thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye.